Hello there, I'm Peter, and today I'm here to talk to you about the XIFEI Travel Humidor. The first thing you'll notice when you open this humidor is how good it looks. It has this really cool carbon fiber look to it. It has the hygrometer right here on top, so you can very quickly look and see what the internal relative humidity is inside of the humidor. It also has this peekaboo glass window, allowing you to look in and see exactly how many cigars you have to enjoy. The hinges are a steel roller bearing design that opens and holds exactly at 90 degrees. When you receive your humidor, inside there are going to be several accessories for you to use. You'll get a pair of cutters, this really nice heavy-duty ashtray and holder, this really cool acrylic X pattern holder, the humidifier itself, as well as this 100 milliliter bottle of pre-mixed propylene glycol solution. You use this directly by putting a few drops into your humidifier, and this helps keep the inside contents of your humidor at a nice 65 to 70% relative humidity. Once you remove this pre-cut foam insert that houses all of your accessories, you'll notice that there is a loose, removable divider inside of the humidor. This divider allows you to place and really customize your humidor to the size of cigars that you enjoy. And speaking of cigars, this thing can hold 20 to 60 of your favorite cigars, depending on the size. You can use the divider to help differentiate between cigars, put your humidifier in there, and you're good to go. This humidor is sturdy. It looks good, it functions well, it has everything you need. Whether you enjoy smoking on vacation, you can take this with you. You can take it to the office and leave it on your desk. You can, use it in your favorite lounge or your smoke room at home. Wherever you enjoy your cigars, this humidor should be right there. It has an anti-scratch felt bottom. The feet on the corners are slightly raised, and overall it just has a quality, exquisite look to it. So if you're in the market for your new humidor, you have a friend or a family member that also enjoys cigars, this makes a perfect gift for yourself or for birthdays, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, whatever the gift-giving opportunity that you have in your life, this humidor makes a great choice. Or like I said, just get one for yourself.